Welcome to the Gardener's Hub YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to get started with Coach Finder by the Coaching Collective, a platform that helps coaches connect with individuals and organizations seeking professional coaching support. I will guide you through the entire process from creating your account and setting up your coach profile to applying for coaching opportunities. Let's get started.
Let's begin on the coachingcollective.in homepage. From the top navigation menu, click on Coach Finder to access the Coach Finder platform. On the Coach Finder landing page, you will see Join the Collective button. Click this button to begin your registration. This brings up the account creation screen. Simply enter your name and email address here. Next, select Coach as your role and create a secured password for your account and continue to the next step. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your registered email address. Enter that code here and then click Verify and sign in to complete your registration.
After signing in, you will be landed into the My Subscription page. You have to click Subscribe next to the Community Coach plan. Review the plan details. If everything looks good, accept the terms and conditions, click on the checkbox and then proceed to pay. Once your payment is successful, your Community Coach subscription will be activated and you can start using the benefits of your plan. Notice My Marketplace and My Application have now appeared in the sidebar. Go to My Marketplace to check your profile status. If it shows action needed, you will need to complete a few mandatory details before your profile can become visible or you can apply to listings. Go to My Profile and click Edit in step 1 of 3. Enter your mobile number, then click Save and Continue. In step 2 of 3, add your years of coaching experience, coaching hours, and areas of specialization. Upload your profile photo to complete the whole process.
Here is the available listings page to enable your profile visibility and to explore open coaching requests. If your profile is incomplete, you will see a locked icon on the listings. You can preview the request, but you won't be able to apply until your profile is completed. Click on the Action Needed button and fill the required fields as shown. Once your profile is ready, the Enable Visibility button and the Apply button on the coaching request will become available. Once you enable your visibility, your profile will be live on the Coach Finder directory and the clients can discover your coaching profile with other coaches listed on the page. In My Marketplace page, scroll down to the coaching requests that are listed. Click the eye icon under Actions on any listing to preview its full details before applying. The preview page gives you all the important details: the support required, engagement type, coaching format, location, budget range, beneficiary, timeline, and preferred language. If the opportunity feels like the right fit, click Apply Now to continue. Add a brief message introducing yourself and sharing why you would be a good match for this coaching request. Your complete profile, including your contact details, will be shared directly with the client. Click Submit Application to send your application. You will see an applied confirmation, and that's complete your journey from creating your account and setting up your profile to applying for your first coaching opportunity on Coach Finder. Thank you for watching.